Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, baby? Much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my... Is it too...
What's up, friends? So today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. I took a poll on Instagram like last month, and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see a DIY instead of a makeup tutorial, but it was almost like 50-50, maybe like makeup was about 40 something%. Anyways, I'm just gonna film a makeup tutorial because Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm pretty sure you guys want to look cute for yourself, for your mans or your woman or whoever you're dating. We're not judging, it's 2018, so whoever you're looking cute for, or if you're looking cute for yourself, you can like take some tips from me. I'm not a makeup guru, so I apologize in advance because I really just wing my makeup. Well, starting off, I used my Milk Blur Liquid Foundation in the color Golden Sand. I have really sensitive skin, so I found that this doesn't usually make me break out. Helps with the redness a lot. It doesn't completely get rid of my scars or anything like that, but if you want like something for everyday wear, I really recommend this. I also use another second coat of the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is in the shade 270. So if you're wondering what I use for my base, this is it. Also, I just did my brows, so really quick, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Ash Brown. If you don't feel like paying for Anastasia Brow Wiz or whatever, this is a really good one. I use a gel on top of that, so I take my ColourPop Bang & Brunette gel and I just kind of go over the edges and try to make it as clean as possible. I don't put concealer right now because I don't have any, but usually I would just clean up the edges with concealer. I'm going to start off with my primer, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24 Hours. Got my brushes and I'm going to take the lavender shade and I'm going to use it as a transition color. I'm not going to mention my brushes because I feel like a lot of you guys have really nice brushes and I kind of just go for the more affordable ones. I took my lavender color and I'm going to kind of deepen the color up with, I'm going to do Red Ochre, this color right under it. Honestly, I'm really just winging this. Next color I'm going to do is Venetian Red. It's right here. It's more like a pinkish, but I'm going to take that. Do a light tap. Now that I've taken a break from school, I feel like I'm a little bit more relaxed and I have more time to produce the content that I want. I really don't want to look back in the future and look back on now. Wait, does that make sense? I don't want to go into the future looking back at myself right now thinking that I could have done more. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. I know I have the potential, and like a lot of people do, we all have this possibility and potential to do something more than what we know, and we don't really truly push ourselves, which is sad because either you're embarrassed or you just don't have the time, or you think you don't have the time and you're really just lazy. That's really what it is. Like, I can like sugarcoat it all I want, but a lot of us are lazy and we don't want to attempt to do something with ourselves. If you really truly have a passion for something, you make time for it and you go out and you do something and you continue to make it a habit and you grow and you learn. Next, I am going to take Love Letter and I'm going to put that on the bottom of my eyes. If the makeup look is kind of turning out a mess, just kind of blend it out. I think that goes for like everything, just blend it out. And eventually, it'll turn out kind of decent. Do you guys like ASMR? I watched it, I was like, what the heck? And then the second time around, like, I watched it again to be like, I don't know, kind of curious. And I was like, I don't know what I'm watching, but I kind of like it. And then, like, I just, like, started figuring out, like, oh, this is what it's for. It's, like, so you can relax, so you can fall asleep. A lot of people find it helps with their headaches. I honestly love it. Like, there's something about, like, people just whispering to you. It's, like, very, like, it makes you feel at home and, like, kind of, like, relaxed. And I just love listening to ASMR videos at night. But yeah, I've always wanted to do a ASMR video, like, low-key, but I wouldn't know what I would want to do or film. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, because I would gladly do it. Like, I just want to try it out for once. I think that'd be kind of cool. I'm gonna top it off with this glitter that I have. Because I love eyeliner and I love glitter, so these are just like both of my favorite things combined in one. If I don't feel like doing too much with my makeup, I'll do eyeliner, and then I'll put the glitter in the inner corner, and it's a look. So I'm literally just putting it on my lid, and it kind of just instantly gives like a glowing effect. So that's what I'm doing right now. You can easily add false lashes on top of this, and it'll give an even more dramatic look, but I don't like false lashes anymore, so I'm just gonna keep it natural with my mascara, and we should be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's waterproof, because if they're gonna be giving you flowers, if you're gonna go on a date, you don't want to be crying your mascara off. Come on, please. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a Valentine's ever. Like, I think just in elementary school I would pass out the little Valentine's Day cards, but I never had a Valentine. I think maybe because everybody thought I was ugly in elementary school, so they didn't want to be my Valentine, but whatever. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I just did the best that I could, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a very nice look, even if it's not for Valentine's Day. I think you could wear this on an everyday type of basis. If you want to see more videos from me, just comment down below what you want to see. Alright, hopefully you guys liked it. I'll see you later. Bye!